Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Lately. As the novel coronavirus impacted tourism arrivals, airport concessionaires and operators started to feel the economic pinch. But with the travel industry slowly gaining momentum, companies like Express Catering are moving quickly to stay ahead of the curve. Chief Executive Officer Ian Dare was speaking at Mayberry's Virtual Investor Forum yesterday. Food and beverage company Express Catering looking to bounce back from the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic and forging new partnerships to accelerate growth. The company is the exclusive operator of branded restaurants and concessionaires at the Sangster International Airport in St. James. CEO Ian Dare says while the pandemic derailed the company's plans, expansion initiatives are still being contemplated.
The pandemic would have slowed us down because, not only has it affected the economics around most places in the world as it relates to travel, the fact of COVID, they have not been able to travel to meet people, etc. And so that has affected that whole investment outlook.
With that in mind, Mr. Dare outlined some of the plans to be executed.
And we are hoping to enter into a MOU with another new airport in short order with some other folks in that country. So we have a few discussions taking place. So we're constantly looking for opportunities to expand the horizon of Express Catering.
At the same time, the Express Catering CEO expects an immediate return to growth once tourism traffic volumes increase.
We literally we generate revenue the moment people touch down in Jamaica. And at the end, so both on the front end and the back end, we get them to consume. So once they arrive, they have to depart. And so we get them on the front and the back end. So we anticipate it's an immediate cash flow positive response once they hit our shores.
Trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $148.59. The Canadian dollar is selling for $116.99. The pound sterling sells for $204.67, while the euro is going for $182.04. On the stock market, the JSE index gained 2,742 points today, and the junior market index is up by less than a point. Among the winners were CAC 2000, Panjam, Fosrich, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares. On the losing side were Iron Rock Insurance, iCreate, Blue Power Group, T-Tech, and Indus Pharma. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Lately. Good evening.